you hear the crows cawing. Whatever crows do. I don't like the sound of crows. It means bad times, I think. But this Pac-Man, he is appearing in the rain. It's weird. Not all the time, but in heavy, heavy rain, he appears. And lights appear, different colours, different spectrums, things that I've never seen, or things that I've never been able to document as seeing. Very, very weird. And now to find out that the government is doing really bad things. Ooh. I'm not going to say anything more here, because this is about the sky and clouds and rain. But yeah, not good. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your animals, because they want it all. You don't belong to yourself. You're not a sovereign being anymore. They own you. You're their bitch. Don't forget it. But anyway, so there's the Pac-Man guy. He looks like a sad face. Is he a ghost? Is he a spirit? I don't know what the hell he is, and to find out that he is meant to be the eater of the worlds. The game was Pac-Man eats the worlds. So the fact that we're doing all this space stuff, it's very, very fitting. But anyway, I'm not going to say anything more here. I might add some more at the end. So Godspeed to all. Godspeed.
Towns, Dave. Towns, not one street villages, but proper towns across this country have utterly failed. We're talking economies that have perhaps dropped in half, maybe more, maybe by 2/3 to 70%. Just the disappearance. I'm talking in the worst case scenarios, but just infrastructure gone, businesses vacated, municipal governments unfunded and totally dysfunctional, gangsterism moving into these vacuums. And you get people who hear Trump's executive orders and his description of what's going on in South Africa, and they'll take a selfie on Table Mountain and joke about, look how hard life is. Trump's obviously wrong, because look how hard life is for us in South Africa. They don't see what's going on in large parts of this country. They live in the urban centers where there is growth, because there's depression everywhere else.